Yeah, I'll do it. Not 'cause my dad needs me. He's been less a dad and more absentee. But if my mom's alive, that's where she's bound to be. I'm leaving now, I better pack. Hitties took my mom, I'm taking her back.
And I'm coming with you. You're my best friend, dude. So don't get mad, but I suspect you'll need protecting when things get bad. And this kicking quest may be the best chance I've had to put my past behind me. So if you haven't guessed, I'm going on your killer quest.
So bon voyage and fare me well.
We're gonna fight each foe, each person's hell.
We're gonna march straight down to the gates of hell.
Underworld.
Listen up.
I'm coming to Seaweed Brain. If you're gonna save the world, I'm the best person to keep you from messing it up. 5 long years stuck at camp, underneath Athena's lockdown clamp. I've been waiting for my chance to prove I'm champ. I've got mad battle strategy, my mom will be impressed. I'm coming on your killer.
So blast the horns, let the bags unfurl. Messengers, slings, and arrows hurl. We're gonna march straight down to the underworld.
How about something for the road?
Shoes? Shoes with wings? Awesome!
Hey, don't get eaten by monsters.
Who said anything about monsters?
Los Angeles, here we come.
We're going on an awesome, dangerous and scary,